Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm back here today to do some unboxings. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first item that I'm going to unbox is from Fendi. This is a huge paper bag with the box, dedicated receipt. I'm going to reveal it's not a bag. It's actually the Peekaboo Defender. I got it hot stamp with my initial here. I got my Peekaboo like 3 months ago, and I've been seeing the Defender on the social media, on the internet, everywhere, and I fell in love with the style. I made it a mission to get one for myself. I asked my sales associate to find it for me. At first, she told me that it's not being sold separately, or it's not available or something. But after 2 or 3 weeks, she texted me and said that they have it in stock, and I need to come and get it quickly before somebody got it, because there's only one with them at the time. So I just went right away that day and got it. This is my first item. Yeah, they also gave me a catalog. It should be nice to as a decoration. It's not a huge box, but yeah, it's not a box. It's not a huge book like a table book, where it should be enough. Next item, I think it's going to be from Gucci. This is their holiday packaging. It's pink and it's fun. This is the box. Okay, this is the receipt. I bought it in KLCC, I think. Yeah, KLCC. Sorry, I actually just opened it to check last time. And this is the box. I think you can guess what it is. And I got a zip around wallet. There's 4 compartments here, and this wallet is from their old collection, I think, and they told me that they're going to discontinue this particular design, and I want something that is floral in my collection. I have nothing floral in my collection, and I think this is a good addition. And it's pink. It's dusty pink, I think. Yes. Okay. One from Burberry. This item I have used for a month now, and I haven't got the chance to do an unboxing. So look at the packaging. So there's the red ribbon, and yeah, this is the box. So I'm not going to do any unboxing on this because I have used this item. It is a white sneaker from Burberry. It says Burberry on there. Okay. There's these checks. I'm sorry that it's dirty. I have worn this a few times. I like to wear this with dresses. I've been looking for white sneakers for quite some time. I have been considering Gucci Ace, but it's not. I didn't mean it. I don't want to say too common, but it's just everywhere, and I want to be a little bit different. Not different, just yeah, different. Yeah, different is the word. What am I babbling about? Okay. Next item is, I guess, from Dior. This thing I just got yesterday, the same time as I got this Chanel. This is a true unboxing. Let's unbox this together. Okay. They sprayed some perfume on it. Wow. And this is the packaging. Look how pretty it is. I'm saying that this is the holiday packaging. Not sure. Okay. Oh, that is so satisfying. Okay. Oh. Right. Okay, guys. Let's take it out together. So nice. Okay, so pretty. Okay, let's take it out. This is just a small cute thing ever. Small cute thing ever. I cannot even talk. As you can see. Ta-da! It is so. Just have the D here. Yeah. This is the saddle wallet on chain. It is new. Inside is leather and outside is just fabric. There's a back pocket here. Here is the leather. It comes with one pouch, small pouch. This is the inside. There's a fabric lining. Alright. You can see here the Dior. Okay. And inside, and this is the strap. And inside there is a card compartment and another compartment here for, I guess, cash. It's very roomy, guys. It's small but very roomy. Let's get the strap out. It's the strap. You can see. Sorry. Not focusing. It's a bit long for me because I'm petite, so they taught me how to make it shorter. So you put both of the strap at this side, put it both here, and then you loop it inside like this and you snap it. And there it is shorter now. Yeah, it's shorter now. So yeah, I'm going to do a separate, I hope I'll do a separate review on this. This is a good evening bag, I think. A good bag for travel. Yes, I'm so happy. Finally have something oblique or oblique. I don't know what they call this print. Yes. Oh yeah, I need to share with you the pricing, and this is the receipt. Okay, the last one. So can you guess what is the last, what's in here? What's in this huge thing? Okay guys, let's get it out. This is their holiday ribbon. Let me try to. Yay! Oh, this is the. Sorry, got another camellia here. So let's take it out. I'll stick it down here. Okay. Let's open it before. I'm so nervous. Okay. Let's take it out. Whoa. Okay. Oh, he didn't. Ta-da! Can you see? Ta-da! It's the small Deauville tote from the 19C collection, I think. Yeah. So I've been searching for Deauville, for a small Deauville for a long time. Everything that I bought is something that I thought about for a long time, but I haven't get the perfect. I haven't seen the perfect color. Oh my god, I cannot even talk. I haven't seen the perfect color yet. But a month ago, I went to Chanel and asked if they have the Deauville, because I don't know if this is the correct or the correct news, not news, the thing that they do. They only produce Deauville during the cruise collection. So I went last month during their launching to see the colors that they have, and they have this and pink. So I was like, but they have this light gold hardware, and it's actually, it looks like the denim color, but it's very dark, and this logo here is not on a very contrasting color, it's just very subtle. So yeah, I fell in love with it, and yesterday I went back and I asked if they still have it, and they still have this only one left, and I cannot pass on it. So yeah, I just got it. This is the small size, which is a good size for me. I cannot wear the large size. It will be too big for me. It's like a luggage bag. So yeah, this is the inside. There's a one zip compartment inside. Yeah, this is the authenticity card. And then there's nothing else. There's also one pocket here. Don't know if you can see, it's very hard to show. It's very dark inside. Can you see the material? And I like that it's light gold. Okay guys, I'm back. So I took out everything, the packaging here, just left these stickers. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it later. So yeah, this is my knee. Okay, I need to show you guys how it looks like on my shoulder. Let's nice. Wow, it's a mess. Okay. This is the leather part. It's blue on my dress. Yeah. I'm sorry that it's a huge mess here. I'm a bit in a hurry. I have a wedding to attend. I hope you had a good one and take care. Bye.